Hi there, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the Follow-up Emails plugin, a powerful tool designed to help you stay connected with your customers. In this video, I'll give you a step-by-step walkthrough of its key features and show you how to create an automated thank you for your order email. We'll set it up to send automatically 5 minutes after an order is marked as completed in WooCommerce and demonstrate how it works in action. Sounds exciting, right? Let's jump right in. First, log in to your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click on Follow-up Emails. Here you'll find a list of pre-built email templates for various order events. The plugin also supports popular form builder plugins such as Formidable Forms, Gravity Forms, Ninja Forms, and WP Forms Submission. This means you can set up follow-up emails triggered by form submissions on your website. Also from this page, you can easily activate or deactivate any email template. To adjust trigger timing for an email, click on the template name or the edit link. This will take you to the Mail Template Edit page. Here you can change the event type from the drop-down menu. Modify the trigger timing in minutes, hours, or days. Update the subject line and customize the email content. You can edit the email content in either the visual editor or the source editor, depending on your preference. While editing, you can use the styles and also insert dynamic placeholder text from the custom meta box section. The placeholders will adjust automatically based on the selected event. Once you're happy with your changes, click Update to save them. Before activating the email template, it's always a good idea to test it. Simply enter your desired email address in the test field here and click Send. You'll see a test email sent successfully confirmation message. Check your inbox to review the test email. This ensures everything looks and functions perfectly before you make the template live. Let's make some more changes to the email content design. And that's how you can edit the built-in templates. But that's not all. The follow-up emails plugin also allows you to create brand new, fully customized email templates. To do this, simply click the Add New Mail Template button at the top of the page. Let's get started by creating our custom email template. First, give your template a clear and recognizable name. Let's call it "Thank you for your order." This makes it easy to identify among other templates. Next, define the event that will trigger this email. From the drop-down menu, select Completed Order. Then set the time delay. Since we want this email to be sent 5 minutes after an order is completed, enter 5 and choose minutes from the options. For the subject line, type something warm and inviting like, "Thank you for your order. Here's what to expect next." A great subject line grabs attention and encourages the recipient to open the email. Now let's craft the email content. In the editor area, write a friendly and engaging message. For example, "Hi, thank you for your recent purchase. We're thrilled to have you as a customer. Your order ID is being processed, and we'll update you as soon as it's on its way. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at support@example.com. Best regards, your company name." To make your email more personalized, you can use placeholders like customer_name, order_ID, and site_name, available in the custom meta box area. Simply drag and drop these placeholders into your email content for dynamic customization. The visual editor also allows you to style your email with formatting options like bullet points, headings, and links to make it visually appealing. Once you're satisfied with the email content, click Publish to make the template accessible. Before activating the template, it's essential to test it. Scroll down to the Test Email section, enter your email address, and click Send. This step helps you see the email exactly as your recipients will. If everything looks good in the test email, toggle the Active button to activate the template. Finally, click Update to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully created a thank you for your order follow-up email that will be sent 5 minutes after an order is completed. Let me demonstrate how it works by creating a test completed order. As you can see, the follow-up email has been successfully sent. It's that simple and efficient. With the Follow-up Emails plugin, staying connected with your customers has never been easier. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon for updates on more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.